In this video, we're going to talk about something every older adult should know: how to keep your legs strong, steady, and full of life, even as the years go by. You see, for most people over 60, leg strength quietly starts to fade without them even realizing it. One day, getting up from a chair feels harder. A few months later, walking up the stairs feels like a small workout. And if we don't pay attention, that weakness can slowly take away something very precious: our independence. In this video, I'll show you 6 amazing foods that have been scientifically proven to support strong, healthy legs after 60. You'll learn how each one helps your muscles, your energy, and your overall mobility, so you can stay active, confident, and in control of your life for years to come. Before we start, I'd love to know, how old are you, and which part of the country are you watching from today? Leave your answer in the comments below. I always enjoy seeing where our Senior Vital family is tuning in from. Point 1. Sweet potatoes. When it comes to keeping your legs strong, energy is everything. Without steady fuel, your muscles tire out faster, and even small tasks start to feel like big ones. That's where sweet potatoes come in. They're one of the best natural sources of long-lasting energy for older adults. Unlike regular potatoes or sugary foods that give you a quick burst and then a crash, sweet potatoes release energy slowly. This means you can walk farther, climb stairs easier, and stay active longer without feeling drained. Sweet potatoes are also packed with important nutrients your muscles love: vitamin A, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin A helps repair small muscle tears that happen as you move through your day. Potassium keeps your muscles hydrated and prevents painful cramps that often strike at night or after a long day on your feet. And the fiber keeps your digestion running smoothly so your body can absorb all the nutrients it needs to stay strong. Another reason sweet potatoes are such a great choice is their natural ability to fight inflammation. As we age, our muscles and joints can get a little sore or stiff, even without a big reason. The deep orange color of sweet potatoes comes from beta-carotene, which helps calm that inflammation and ease discomfort. That means less pain and more flexibility. You don't have to eat them plain; there are many tasty ways to enjoy them. Try baking them, mashing them, or cutting them into cubes and roasting them with a touch of olive oil. Add them to soups or salads for a bit of sweetness. However you choose to eat them, each bite helps keep your legs strong, steady, and ready to carry you wherever you want to go. Point 2. Oats. If you often feel your legs getting tired halfway through the day, oats can make a real difference. They're one of the simplest yet most powerful foods for steady energy and muscle endurance. Unlike sugary cereals or white bread that give you quick energy followed by a crash, oats release their energy slowly. This means your legs stay active longer, whether you're walking around the house, gardening, or going for your daily stroll. Oats are packed with plant-based protein that helps your muscles repair and rebuild. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle fibers, which can cause weakness or balance issues. The protein in oats supports those muscle tissues so your legs stay stronger and more stable. Oats are also full of iron and magnesium, 2 nutrients older adults often don't get enough of. Iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles, giving them strength, while magnesium keeps your muscles relaxed and helps prevent painful cramps or stiffness, especially at night. There's another benefit that makes oats truly special: they help your blood flow better. Healthy circulation is vital for strong legs because your muscles depend on oxygen and nutrients to function. Oats naturally help keep your blood vessels open and flexible, allowing your legs to stay energized and recover faster after activity. What makes oats so easy to add to your diet is their versatility. You can enjoy them warm in the morning with a sprinkle of berries, blend them into a smoothie, or even bake them into healthy snacks. A single bowl of oats each day fuels your muscles, improves your stamina, and helps you stay active from sunrise to sunset, one strong step at a time. Point 3. Avocados. If you often wake up with stiff legs or get sudden cramps that stop you mid-step, avocados might be your new best friend. They're rich in the kind of healthy fats that help your muscles and joints stay flexible and pain-free. As we grow older, our bodies can become more prone to inflammation, that silent soreness that makes movement feel harder than it used to. The good fats in avocados help calm that inflammation, giving your legs a smoother, more comfortable range of motion. One of the biggest benefits of avocados is their high potassium content, even more than bananas. Potassium is what helps your muscles contract properly and prevents painful spasms. If you've ever had a night where your calf suddenly tightened up and wouldn't relax, chances are your body was low on potassium. Adding half an avocado to your meal can make a noticeable difference over time. Avocados are also a great source of vitamin E, a nutrient that helps repair tiny muscle strains and reduces fatigue. Together, these nutrients help your legs recover faster after walking or exercising, so you don't feel as sore or tired later in the day. Plus, the natural fats in avocados improve circulation, making sure your muscles get all the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong and active. You can enjoy avocados in so many easy ways: spread on toast, blended into a smoothie, sliced in a salad, or mashed into a creamy dip. The key is consistency. A few servings a week can help you notice fewer cramps, less stiffness, and legs that feel lighter and more responsive. Over time, that means more confidence with every step you take. Point 4. Berries. Berries are small, but they hold incredible power when it comes to keeping your legs strong and flexible. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, each one is loaded with antioxidants, those tiny defenders that protect your muscles from wear and tear. As we age, our muscles face more stress from everyday movement, and that stress can slowly lead to stiffness or soreness. Berries help repair that damage naturally, so your legs can stay active and pain-free. Another big reason berries are so important is that they fight inflammation, the hidden cause behind achy joints and tired legs. Eating a handful of berries each day helps calm inflammation, making your legs feel lighter and more comfortable. They're also full of vitamin C, which plays a key role in producing collagen. Collagen is what keeps your muscles and joints firm, elastic, and ready to move without strain. It's like giving your body the natural oil it needs to stay flexible. There's an added bonus too. The antioxidants that protect your muscles also protect your brain. That means better focus, sharper memory, and improved coordination, all of which are essential for balance and stability as we age. So, by eating berries, you're not only helping your legs stay strong but also keeping your mind alert and steady. You can easily add berries to your routine. Mix them into your morning oatmeal, blend them in a smoothie, or enjoy them as a light evening snack. Fresh or frozen, they work the same. Just a handful a day can make a real difference. Think of it as a sweet, simple way to protect your legs and your overall vitality, one colorful bite at a time. Point 5. Salmon. Salmon is often called one of the best foods for healthy aging, and for good reason. It's a powerhouse when it comes to rebuilding and protecting muscle strength, especially in your legs. As we get older, our bodies naturally lose some of their ability to repair muscle tissue. That's why you might notice your legs feeling weaker or more easily tired after simple activities like walking or climbing stairs. Salmon helps fix that by providing high-quality protein, which gives your muscles exactly what they need to rebuild and stay firm. But protein is only part of the story. What really makes salmon special is its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, the good fats that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your joints from stiffness. Inflammation is one of the biggest hidden reasons older adults lose mobility. Omega-3s help calm that down, so your legs move more smoothly, and you recover faster after being active. Salmon also supports your circulation, which is vital for strong, healthy legs. Good blood flow keeps oxygen and nutrients reaching your muscles, helping them perform better and stay energized. It also supports your nerves, improving coordination and balance. That's why people who regularly include salmon in their meals often feel lighter on their feet and more stable overall. You don't have to eat it every day to see results. 2 or 3 servings per week are enough to make a noticeable difference. Try it grilled, baked, or even canned with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. However you prepare it, salmon helps your body rebuild from the inside out. It's a delicious, heart-healthy way to keep your legs strong, your movements confident, and your energy steady through every step of life. Point 6. Eggs. If there's one simple food that gives your body almost everything it needs for strong, steady legs, it's the humble egg. Small, affordable, and easy to cook, eggs are packed with high-quality protein, the kind your muscles need to stay firm and responsive. As we age, our muscles naturally start to shrink and weaken, but protein helps slow that process down. Eating 1 or 2 eggs a day can make a real difference in keeping your legs strong and stable. Each egg also contains vitamin D, a nutrient that's absolutely vital for muscle and bone strength. Many older adults in the US have low vitamin D levels without realizing it, which can lead to weakness, fatigue, and even balance problems. By simply adding eggs to your diet, you're helping your body maintain stronger bones and better coordination, 2 things that directly protect you from falls. Eggs also contain choline, an important nutrient that supports communication between your nerves and muscles. This means faster reactions, steadier movements, and more control over your steps. Plus, eggs have natural antioxidants and healthy fats that protect your muscle cells from aging damage, keeping you feeling active and alert. The best part? Eggs are so easy to enjoy. You can scramble them for breakfast, boil them for a quick snack, or add them to salads and soups. However you prefer, just make it a regular habit. It's not about eating a lot, it's about being consistent. Over time, you'll notice your legs feeling stronger, your balance improving, and your energy lasting longer throughout the day. Sometimes, it really is the simplest foods that build the strongest foundation for a healthier, more independent life. Point 7. Greek yogurt. If you're looking for one simple food that works quietly behind the scenes to keep your legs strong, Greek yogurt deserves a spot on your list. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with high-quality protein, the kind that helps your muscles rebuild after even the smallest activity. As we age, our body's ability to repair muscle tissue slows down, but protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt give your muscles the building blocks they need to stay firm, steady, and resilient. What makes Greek yogurt especially good for older adults is its calcium and vitamin D content. These 2 nutrients are essential for keeping your bones solid and your joints stable. When your bones are strong, your legs can support you better, helping prevent falls and improving your overall balance. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, the healthy bacteria that keep your digestion smooth. Good digestion means your body absorbs nutrients more efficiently, which helps every part of you, including your muscles, perform better. Another benefit is that Greek yogurt is gentle on your stomach and easy to enjoy any time of day. Whether you have it in the morning, as a snack, or before bedtime, it provides a steady supply of nutrients your legs can use to stay strong through the night. You can mix it with berries for an antioxidant boost, add a spoon of honey for sweetness, or even a small bowl each day can make a noticeable difference. You'll feel more stable, less fatigued, and more confident when walking or standing for longer periods. Think of it as a simple daily ritual, a creamy, nourishing step toward keeping your legs strong and your independence intact. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to remind ourselves what really matters. Staying strong as we age isn't just about lifting weights or doing long workouts, it's about giving our body the right kind of fuel every single day. The foods we've talked about, sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, and eggs, aren't fancy or hard to find. They're simple, wholesome, and full of the nutrients your legs need to stay powerful and steady. Every small change adds up. Maybe it's swapping your usual toast for oatmeal in the morning, adding a few berries to your cereal, or enjoying salmon for dinner twice a week. Even 1 or 2 of these steps can help your legs feel stronger, your balance improve, and your confidence grow. And the best part? You don't need to do everything all at once. Progress comes from consistency, little daily habits that slowly build into lasting strength. Remember, your legs are your foundation. They carry you through every part of life, every walk in the park, every family visit, every moment that matters. When you care for them, you're really protecting your independence and your freedom. So start today. Choose one of these foods, make it part of your routine, and notice how you feel in a few weeks. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 foods do you already enjoy, and which one are you planning to add to your diet? Share your answer in the comments below. Your story might just inspire someone else to take their first step toward stronger, healthier legs. Stay active, stay positive, and most importantly, keep moving forward, one strong step at a time.